What types of chimes do you have?
So we make 7 different chimes. I got the 4 kind of middle-sized ones here right now. So I got the pentatonic C.
Oh my God, what a sound!
I got the C major chime.
That is beautiful.
My uncle designed these and started making them in the late 70s.
And everything is made here, every single thing. Well, I guess you buy a few small components, do you?
Yeah, that's right.
And that's it. And the wood is from where?
The wood's from our wood lot back in the hills of South Grand.
Behind here.
Yeah.
And this is the wood that you cut.
Yep, so I've got some white birch here. I've got sugar maple. And I've got yellow birch as well.
You were talking about our general process. We got the wood taken care of.
Yep.
I guess we'd look into the...
Well, I got the stained glass.
Oh, wow.
I got my stained glass shop right here. Just order it from the factory and go there and get it. So I gotta scribe my circle here.
All right. You don't need to worry about not using gloves or anything. You ever cut yourself?
I find it's better. I find it's a good trade-off to be able to have the, because it takes really precise pressure to be able to get that nice line scribe without cracking the glass.
Yeah, and that's all this gorgeous glass. So what's the more popular, with the glass on the bottom or the wood?
Everybody loves the glass. Yep. Nice patina.
So you get all the wood done here, which is great. We saw the glass, we saw the wood, and that's not it. Wait, folks, there's more.
Yeah,
perfect.
So I need more of these little eye bolts here, so...
Yeah, well, that way you can get to work on
I've also got some of the clangers for the large chimes here, the D and the A chime. I'll be putting the little center in there to...
They are beautiful.
Yeah.
And down here is where you cut it all.
Yeah, so these are... Yeah, so these are the templates that I use.
And this is the C one you gotta get the...
Yeah, so I'll put a C chime together here. And we saw this little hole being drilled here.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Takes the least amount of time to make an A minor, and the A chime takes the most time. So there we got our key of C.
Look at that.
Yep.
Fantastic. Another gem. Oh, these are all your C's.
Yep. Put the other ones there.
Fantastic. Okay.
Hear that perfect D major?
To catch our next adventures, just click and subscribe.